Question 7, Unit 18, Substitution. Now these are definitely getting a bit harder, and I've given myself a nice bit of space at the bottom for workings because I'm going to need that. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to work them out individually and then make my decisions, because it says given that p equals 8 and y equals 20, write equals, greater than, or less than in each box. But I don't actually remember those symbols as greater than or less than. I tend to remember as the biggest side is the open bit. So this side would be the biggest if I had something here, and if I was using this symbol, this side would be the biggest. And that's how I remember it as a picture. So let's look at 2y minus p. Well, y is 20, so that's 2 times 20 minus 8. Remember BIDMAS, we do the multiplication first, so we've got 40 minus 8, which is 32. So this one comes to 32. And notice I write the answer there so that I don't have to worry about it. When I come to look at deciding to use these, I've already got the answer. Now my other one is 2y minus p. So with BIDMAS, I do the brackets first. So the brackets are 20 minus 8. 20 minus 8 is 12. So now I've got 2 times 12. Remember, when we've got a number outside of bracket, it's multiply. So 2 times 12 is 24. So which is bigger, 32 or 24? My big side goes that way round. So let's have a look at the next one. P minus y divided by 4. So my p is 8, my y is 20, and it's divided by 4. So I do my division first because, again, I'm following BIDMAS. I always do the division first. So now I'm going to have 8. 20 divided by 4 is 5. 8 take 5 is 3. So I know this one is 3. This one is y minus p all over 4. So what isn't here are brackets, but when you've got a division that covers everything, you always do the top bit first, because you treat that as though it's got a bracket around it. So I'm going to put a bracket around it. So we've got 20 minus 8 divided by 4. 20 minus 8 is 12, and it's all divided by 4, which is 3. That's a 3. Equal sign. That's good. Now let's try the next one. P squared minus y, y minus p all squared. Well, p squared is p times p minus y. 8 times 8 minus 20. 8 times 8, remember I do the multiplication first, is 64. 64, take 20, is 44. So I'm going to write 44 down there so I know what I'm doing. Then I can forget about that one. Right, this one, I'm going to put my numbers in. So that's 20, take 8. We do my brackets first. 20 take 8 gives me 12. I've got 12 squared. 12 squared is 12 times 12, which is 144. So that's 144. That's definitely bigger. So it goes this way around. Biggest side to biggest number. Last one. Well, the last one is this. 3y minus p plus 2y. 3y minus p plus 2y. So I've got, these are my two I'm playing with. So my y was 20, so this is 3 times 20, minus 8 plus 2 times 20. So the first thing I'm going to do is the multiplications. 3 times 20 is 60, take 8, 2 times 20 is 40. So I've done my multiplications first, and I've just copied my take 8 down. So it doesn't matter what order I do it in. I can do 60 plus 40 is 100, take away 8, I get 92. I'm going to put 92 there so I don't have to worry about it. Now, 3y. So this is 3 times y, so 3 times 20 minus, the p is 8, plus 2 times 20, because my y is 20. So I do my brackets first. So that's 8 plus 40. And this one is going to give me 60. So my subtraction is done to the last. And because that doesn't interfere with that, I can do them on the same row. So I've got 60 minus 8 minus 48. So 60 take 40 would be 20, but I'm not taking off 40, I'm taking off 48. So I need to take another 8 off. So take 8 off my 20 and I get 12. This number's the bigger, so the bigger side goes this way around. That's question 7.